Do you need service on your Triumph or Ducati motorcycle? Our factory-trained technicians here at WMR can help you with all your needs. We're the leading motocross, supercross, off-road, street, and adventure shop in the southeastern United States, and we can help you with all your needs. We are a one-stop shop. We can help you with motor rebuilds, regular maintenance, suspension setup, suspension rebuilds, suspension tuning, engine tuning, fuel injection, and everything in between. Bolt-on accessories and tires. Your top-of-the-line motorcycle deserves top-notch care, and we can offer that only here at WMR. Our factory-trained technicians are the leading in the industry, and they are ready to help you with anything you need to keep your riding strong. With the new Ducati desmodromic valve train, there are going to be a lot of people wondering where to go for service. You don't have to look any further. Bring it here to WMR, and our technicians will make sure to get you going. So if you have a new Triumph or Ducati, look us up, WMR1.com, or give us a call and schedule your service.